If you've ever found yourself squinting at text in Microsoft Edge, or you just want a quicker way to make everything on the page easier to read, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in on the Edge browser using a couple of super simple methods that work in just seconds. This is a really useful trick whether you're reading articles, working on web apps, or just want a more comfortable browsing experience. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to zoom in on Edge is by using your keyboard. On Windows, hold down the Ctrl key and press the plus key. Every time you press Ctrl and plus, the page will zoom in a little more. If you want to zoom out later, you can use Ctrl and the minus key. This is the easiest method if you only want to adjust the view quickly without touching any menu settings. Now, if you want another easy way to control zoom, you can also use your mouse scroll wheel. First, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While keeping Ctrl pressed, scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. This gives you a lot of flexibility because you can fine-tune the zoom level exactly how you want it. It's especially helpful if you need to make text larger on a specific page without changing your overall browser settings. You can also check the current zoom level in Microsoft Edge if you want to make sure everything looks right. If the page seems too large or too small, just repeat the shortcut until it feels comfortable. A lot of users don't realize that Zoom is one of the simplest accessibility and productivity features built into the browser, and once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. If you're using this for work, school, or reading on the web, zooming in can make a big difference. It can help reduce eye strain, make buttons easier to click, and improve your overall browsing experience. And because these shortcuts are built directly into Edge, you don't need any extensions or extra software. So just to recap, to zoom in on the Edge browser, press Ctrl and plus, or hold Ctrl and use your mouse scroll wheel upward. To zoom back out, use Ctrl and minus, or scroll downward while holding Ctrl. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.